Hi, it's Brandon from Whiskey Tango Farms. We're here to help you on your self-sufficiency journey for quail, rabbits, or gardening. Today I'm going to take you through the process of building a sandbox for my outside hutch and just show you what I did to build it and put it together. Just used some scrap wood and got some sand from the backyard and threw it in there. So come with me and I'll show you how I put it together. 2 boards. Overall 16 3/4 by 14 7/8. This here is the sandbox that I created. And just stapled it together. A couple scrap pieces of plywood and some 1x4. And go throw it in the coop or the hutch. Fill it up with sand. This here is the hutch. I'm gonna put the sandbox in here. So they have a nice place to dust bath. This side here is gonna get a piece of metal that's in the garage. I have to screw on yet for winter. But, yep. Gonna go get a bucket of sand. Build a sandbox for your quail. Fill up a sandbox. Some bigger chunks of wood in there. Take out, but there they go. You have some nice, good sand. Now you can take dust baths in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this content, please subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching.